Hello, my name's Federico. I come from Essex, United Kingdom. I come to Dentafly to get 28 Zirconium Crowns, and honestly, it's everyone's so welcoming here. It's a lovely feeling. The hotels are lovely around here, and yeah, I recommend Dentafly. Very good people, so welcoming, and yeah, honestly, it wasn't painful at all. I had two extractions, 2 teeth taken out. I had my teeth shaven down, of course. I had all my teeth done, 28 Zirconium Crowns, and honestly, it wasn't as painful as you think it would be. So yeah, honestly, I very recommend Dentafly. The price is very recommended as well. Obviously, people from the UK, because you get your teeth done in the UK, is so more expensive. Yeah, everyone's so lovely here, and honestly, the treatment gets done so quick as well. You'll have your perfect smile within a couple days.